Finality start. The Indian International Center IIC is a non-official organization situated in New Delhi, India. Membership of the IIC includes Supreme Court judges, journalists, governors, and government ministers. It serves as a meeting place for cultural and intellectual offering while maintaining its non official character, non aligned motivations, and remains uncommitted to any particular form of governmental, political, economic, or religious affiliation. The main building is adjacent to Lodi Gardens and also designed by American architect Joseph Allen Stein. According to its official blurb, the center is alluded to as Triveni, which in Sanskrit means a structure of three. It provides three activity streams: the intellectual stream, which is supported with the organization of seminar, symposia, meetings, discussions, and a well-stocked library that also helps publish papers. The culture stream through events like dance recital, film screenings, and drama. The social stream through its hostel and catering facilities, which brings together people in a pleasant setting. The center is a non governmental institution remaining self reliant for nearly 6 decades. The Indian International Center was designed by Joseph Allen Stein, an American architect who practiced in New Delhi from 1995 to 1997. It is one of several major buildings in the same area designed by Stein, giving the area the unofficial name Steinabad. Its foundation stone was laid in 1960 by then Japanese Prince Akihito, who had come for his honeymoon, and it was inaugurated in 1962 by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second president of India. The founding president of the IIC was Dr. C. D. Deshmukh, former governor of the Reserve Bank of India. The annex building extension was inaugurated in 1996 by Dr. Karan Singh, who was the then president of IIC. The IIC has been used as a venue for lectures and discourses hosted by international personalities including the Dalai Lama, UN Secretary General Kofi Annan, Salman Rushdie, US Secretary of State Mike, and ex Hong Kong Governor Patton. The IIC's Gandhi King Plaza, named after both Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr., was inaugurated on 21 January 1970 by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Former Chief Minister of Bihar and then Minister of Railways Lalu Yadav was refused membership in 2006, following which Karan Singh, who had founded the original development, resigned as a life trustee in reaction to the refusal by the committee. In March 2019, the President of India, Ramnath Kovind, visited the center as a guest of the IIC President N.N. Vora, former Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, to meet its board of trustees. In 2009, the center co-hosted the Habitual Summit with Advisory and Urban Habitats, former a professional civil society initiative whose primary purpose is to serve as a multidisciplinary public awareness and educational platform and to facilitate positive change in India's cities by engaging all stakeholders of society in shaping India's built environment. Held in September, the summit served as a communication vehicle to position key policy issues and to highlight opportunities for positive change by showcasing community oriented urban renewal projects stuck